Our next baptismal service will be on Easter Sunday, that's the 21st of April. So if you would like to be baptised, then please speak to one of the leadership team. Is our church weekend away. That's going to be taking place from the 31st of May to the 2nd of June. Now if you're booked in, just a reminder to you that full payment is due by the 3rd of March, and you can do that with your card in the foyer, but with the card reader at the end of the service if you would like. And if you're not booked in but you'd still like to come along, then please speak to Heather or one of the welcome team and we can get you coming along to Strength Will Rise.
Every heart now, every soul.
This October we're planning to take a team on a short-term missions trip to Stockholm in Sweden. If you're interested in finding out more, then pick up a pack from the welcome desk or speak to one of our church leadership team.
God is smiling over us tonight.
We've got a marriage course coming up which is for any engaged couples or anyone who's already married and wants to invest in their marriage. It's going to take place across 2 Saturdays, the 16th and the 23rd of March from 10:30 till 4. So if that's you and you'd like to come along, you need to get yourself signed up, and you can do that online, via Exchange or by speaking to our welcome team.
So we must cross the great divide, the colour, creed and wealth and
Mother's Day is coming up on the 31st of March and we're having a special service at 11 AM. So you can bring your friends and family along, and we're going to have a gift for all the women, and there's going to be a few extra surprises as well. So please come along to our Mother's Day service 11 AM on the 31st of March.
every soul. We are one, our bleeding hearts.
On Saturday the 8th of March, we will be going down south to Milton Keynes for SYC on tour. This is a perfect opportunity for anybody year 6 or above to catch up with old friends or to have a flavour of SYC. You can book your son or daughter for SYC on tour through Exchange, online through the website, or by picking up a letter at the welcome desk.
Smiling over us tonight. Where hearts are broken, love unites. God is smiling. God is smiling.
Just a reminder to you before we go that this Monday, that's tomorrow, Accelerate starts, which is our course which will help you to find where you fit in at Excel Church and how you can serve. If you want to take part in that, then sign up on the website or speak to the welcome team. That's everything for Excel News. Hope you have a fantastic week, and we'll see you back next Sunday for some more.